Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you a new site template that exists in the lookbook. It's called Global LGBTQ and Employee Resource Group. Um, to, to get to that, actually, we go to the lookbook and we will go to view the designs. And under organizations, we have uh, this specific page. We can see how it looks. We can see what are the features and what are the web parts, text, image, news, event, and quick links. And actually, we can see the content. There's some page templates, and we can see here the minimum requirements. So it needs to be SharePoint Online. You need to be a tenant admin, and site language is English. So what we need to do is, if you have all of the rights, you can add to the tenant. You can click on it, and you fill here all of the information, the name, the URL, and you click provision. I've done that before, so now we see actually how it looks. So what we see here is actually we have the area of the menus on top, and if we look at the change the look, we see it's using, just a second, the theme, this theme with the black background. And in addition, if we go to the navigation, we'll see it's using cascading. And in addition, we will look at the header. The header has a compact header. Let's just change it. You see they put here the logo. And if we scroll down, we see these colors. So let's see what these colorful things. So this is actually a full width image. And here we have something that does some kind of a spacer. Also, this is another section with a spacer. We see the background of this section is actually black. In addition, let's go on. So we have another section. We have here an image, another image, some text, and this is also a text. Here we have also a spacer. Here we have a news web part and event web part. And below we also have here a spacer, some images, some text, and some quick links. So, and below we also have here again an image which is very narrow but full width. So it's very interesting how they did that. And let's just click, for instance, on one of the news articles. And so if I click on this, actually I see there's a page that has an image, some text, and another more text. Now just to see, if we create a new post, actually you'll see there's a specific template that they use. So if I just create it, it gives me a template where I can change the text and continue on all the same way. Let's see, there's actually a step-by-step explanation how to do this. So I'll just show you. Here in the menu, learn how to custom your site. So I'll click here, and there's a step-by-step how to do it, how to customize it, what is the content, and how to share it. So what happens is actually it's a communication site that was provisioned for this case. Let me just paste it. So try it out and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.